The default section of a dashboard definition allows you to set all data source or visualization options in one place. These may include refresh, refresh type, query parameters, showing a progress bar, and showing the last time a dashboard panel was updated. The default section provides a default option for each specified setting. Settings at the component level will override the default settings, allowing you to customize panels as desired, but using these settings if not otherwise specified. We will only take a look at a couple of examples of default options in this video, but I have added a comprehensive link to all the available options in your notes. By default, visualizations on a dashboard will not automatically refresh. The refresh option allows us to define a time interval for automatically running a search and updating related visualizations. If your dashboard uses chain searches, these will automatically refresh when the base search is refreshed. The refresh type option can be set to delay or interval. The default setting, delay, will execute a new search at the specified time after the previous search was run. For example, if a search runs at 9 o'clock and takes 2 minutes to execute, and the refresh delay is set to 5 minutes, the next search will run at 9:07. If that search takes another 2 minutes, to 9:09, the next search will run at 9:14. Changing the refresh type to interval will cause Splunk to execute the search at the specified time intervals, regardless of whether or not the previous search has completed. If a search is scheduled to run every 30 seconds, but takes more than 30 seconds to complete, the search job will terminate and will begin again at the scheduled interval. Let's take a closer look at this example. In this defaults dashboard definition, we see default settings for inline searches in the ds.search source type, set to refresh visualizations every 5 minutes. Since refresh type is set to interval, this refresh time will start counting as soon as the search is dispatched, not when it is finished. Keep in mind that this default setting does not apply to save searches or chain searches, only inline searches as specified by the data source type. This definition also contains default settings for visualizations. A progress bar will not be shown when updating, and visualizations will not show the time they were last updated. Thanks for joining us to learn more about Splunk's Dashboard Studio. We suggest you check out the documentation and register for additional courses from Splunk Education. Thanks for watching.